we want to make sure that everyone is taken care of. So we've started a ticketing system. As of today, we'll be going through a ticketing system at support@easybot.com. So that is your first means of support@easybot.com. So have that written down somewhere. If you have any issues, please email us first. The second line of support is the support calls that we have at 11 a.m. Eastern, Monday to Friday. It's just a general support call for everyone in the world to participate in and ask their questions. And then your third means of support is the Telegram chats and the people that you know as your uplines. Actually, use your uplines first. And then if you don't get the answers, then use support@easybot.com. Then we also have our chat in the Telegram as well, where a lot of people are asking questions and many answers are already being put forth there. There is also going to be a knowledge base where we have the question and answer. And every question pretty much that's been posed to us already on all the calls are put into this knowledge base